You don't need that. That's a snug engine Camaro. That car belongs to a buddy of mine. She lives down in Arizona now. But she drove that car all summer last season while she was up here, and she really enjoyed it. So car's got 38,000 miles on it. I mean, it's a Michigan car. It's got a little bit of rust here and there. Being from the 70s, the interior is not in like the most pristine condition, but I mean, it's a solid car. So I'm going to be going through it, fixing some stuff up for her, and in the spring the goal is to drive the car from just outside of Ann Arbor, Michigan, where I live, all the way down to Phoenix to go drop the car off for her. So that'll be a fun road trip. Hopefully I don't get stranded and I do my job right on this car, but I'm just going to be going through this thing, making sure everything's up to snuff, make sure it's going to be able to do the 2,000 mile road trip with no real issues. So it should be an adventure. I just today swapped the side post to a top post setup. The old setup had some issues, and I mean, it could have been worked with, but top post is just significantly easier. So I went down to the auto parts store, grabbed some terminals, had a battery laying around from a old Dodge truck that we got outside, who belongs to her husband, and that's being stored here for him until he can either get it down there or if he decides to sell it. But I mean, car starts beautifully now, as you guys saw. Before on the old setup, I mean, it wasn't like fully the side post fault. I mean, the battery was pretty dead, but like it was a pain to jump because it's a side post setup. And I mean, I had to have it on a battery charger on start mode for like 15 minutes to even get enough juice to go. So swapped it out for a good top post battery and top post setup. A little bit easier service. I'm going to be going through the car, making sure the brakes are good, making sure the suspension's solid. I got to do a water pump on it. That one's going to be fun. And it should be a pretty solid daily cruiser after that. And we'll get it down to Arizona so she can enjoy it out in the desert there. All right. If you guys got any thoughts or comments on this, leave them down in the comments. So, have a good day.